Sentiment analysis, or opinion mining, is a crucial tool for businesses to understand the vast amount of opinions shared online every day. Research by Convergys Corp reveals that a single negative review can drive away up to 30 customers, while social media posts can significantly impact a company's value, as seen when Elon Musk's tweet caused Tesla to lose $14 billion. This technology, which emerged in 2003, combines natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning to analyze text data and determine whether comments are positive, negative, or neutral. Modern sentiment analysis systems boast 96% accuracy and can process vast amounts of data quickly. Sentiment analysis plays a critical role for businesses by enabling them to track brand reputation, monitor customer feedback, and uncover insights to improve products. It helps companies identify recurring pain points and collect actionable suggestions for enhancements. More importantly, it reveals customer emotions more effectively than traditional metrics. For instance, poor customer service can drive 25% of customers to abandon a brand. Analyzing sentiment across various channels allows businesses to spot potential risks before they escalate into full-blown crises. The sentiment analysis process involves several steps, starting with text preprocessing, which cleans and normalizes the raw data. This includes tasks like removing URLs, handling spelling errors, and translating emoticons. The next step, tokenization, breaks text into smaller units like words and punctuation. Then, feature extraction transforms these tokens into numerical representations. Models like term frequency, inverse document frequency, TF-IDF, or word embeddings help capture the semantic meaning of words. Sentiment classification follows using techniques such as rule-based approaches, machine learning models like naive Bayes, support vector machines, SVM, and deep learning methods like recurrent neural networks, RNNs. The sentiment score ranges from -1, very negative, to +1, very positive, with 0 indicating neutral sentiment. Businesses use different sentiment analysis techniques based on their needs. The lexicon-based approach uses pre-existing dictionaries with sentiment scores for each word. This method is particularly useful for social media content. Machine learning methods, on the other hand, train models using labeled data, making them more adaptable but requiring large datasets. Hybrid approaches combine both techniques for improved accuracy. Other specialized techniques, like aspect-based sentiment analysis, examine opinions about specific product features, while emotion detection identifies specific feelings like joy or anger in text. Sentiment analysis has become indispensable for modern businesses. By processing vast amounts of customer feedback quickly and accurately, companies can make informed decisions that improve customer experience, refine products, and address problems promptly. As the technology continues to evolve, businesses that leverage sentiment analysis gain a competitive edge in understanding customer emotions, which is essential for success in today's fast-paced market.